Colvin, pleasure to be here with you today and to be speaking with you. How are you?
I'm well. How are you, Roman?
Doing pretty well. Very excited about the Yes Bed-Stuy launch. What is the importance of initiative like this to serve the young adults in Bed-Stuy, particularly those young adults who experience barriers to economic opportunities in the community?
Well, I was very excited. I don't know how many years ago it was when the idea came up for a place-based youth workforce development program for Bedford Stuyvesant. I was excited because I know how much need there is for young adults to get training, job training, experience um, early in their lives. And this was targeted to young people who are out of school and not working. So they're not connected to any structure. Um, and it's very important for young people to be connected to a structure, a structure that's nurturing, a structure that supports them in their aspirations, and a structure that helps them gain experience and skills.
Like, how are young people contributing to the economy of Bed-Stuy?
Well, young people have an opportunity to contribute because they have energy and creativity. So young people in Bed-Stuy are very creative, they're very energetic, and they just need a structure that attracts them and holds on to them so that they can, make creative contributions to the economy. Our experience with employers in Bedford-Stuyvesant is that they are willing to hire young people as interns. They very much want to support young people in building skills and becoming familiar with the workplace. And they very much want to be supportive of young people who aspire to move forward with their lives and their careers. But I'm very optimistic about employers embracing this initiative, not just in Bedford-Stuyvesant, but beyond Bedford-Stuyvesant. There is an employers understand the need for young people to be exposed to business and employment at an early age, and many employers, if not all, had that early exposure, and that's why they are now job creators.
Colvin, thank you so much for being with us today. If you can, would you mind just giving words of advice for young adults?
Well, what I'd like to emphasize to young adults is that there are a lot of people, a lot of older people in Bedford-Stuyvesant, Crown Heights, Brownsville, throughout central Brooklyn, who care deeply about the future of the present and future of our young adults. So I would just encourage young people to be open to coaching and counseling and advice from older people. Um, we don't live in the same world that you grew up in. We understand that. But there's certain principles that are, in my view, timeless. Principles like hard work and how to take criticism. And I just generally think that the attitude that I want to encourage young people to have is that there's a lot of support out here for you. And it may oftentimes seem like people are not in your corner and they're not rooting for you, but there are many people who are. So thank you for the opportunity to share that.
Yeah, and Colvin, thank you for your time today. Really appreciate having you here today to speak with Yes Bed-Stuy and encourage them through the launch. And always a pleasure to have Restoration as a member and partner of Yes Bed-Stuy. So thank you so much, and thank you for being with us today.
Thank you, Roman, and best wishes.
Take care.
All right.